Let's check the news from AWS. AWS Lambda now simplifies function deployment by enabling GitHub Actions. This integration streamlines continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines for serverless applications, allowing development teams to automate software delivery processes. Previously, teams building serverless applications using Lambda had to write custom scripts or AWS command line interface commands to update Lambda functions from GitHub Actions, which required manual packaging of function code artifacts, configuration of AWS identity and access management permissions, and error handling. The new GitHub Action eliminates this complexity by providing a simplified way to deploy changes to Lambda functions using declarative configuration in GitHub Actions workflows. This action supports both .zip file and container image deployments, handles code packaging automatically, and integrates seamlessly with IAM using OpenID Connect authentication. To get started, developers can add the Deploy Lambda function action to their workflow files with configuration parameters for their Lambda function deployment. The action also allows configuring function settings such as runtime, memory size, timeout, and environment variables, and includes an optional dry run mode for validation without making changes. Moreover, it supports Amazon S3-based deployment for larger .zip file packages. Developers can learn more by visiting the Lambda Developer Guide and README for the Deploy Lambda function GitHub Action. Amazon EC2 C7G instances are now available in additional regions, specifically AWS Middle East, AWS Africa, and AWS Asia Pacific. These instances are powered by AWS Graviton 3 processors, which provide up to 25% better compute performance compared to the previous generation of Graviton 2 processors. Built on top of the AWS Nitro system, these instances offer efficient, flexible, and secure cloud services with isolated multi-tenancy, private networking, and fast local storage. Compared to comparable EC2 instances, Amazon EC2 C7G instances use up to 60% less energy, reducing their carbon footprint. They are available in 9 different instance sizes, including bare metal, and offer up to 30 gigabits per second of networking bandwidth and up to 20 gigabits per second of bandwidth to the Amazon Elastic Block Store. These instances are designed for increased scalability, with multiple features that support a wide range of workloads. To learn more about these new instances, interested parties can visit the Amazon EC2 C7G page. AWS has made available static networking configuration support for service link and DNS IP addresses of AWS Outpost servers. This enhancement enables customers to configure these interfaces with static IP addresses during installation, eliminating the need for dynamic host configuration protocol servers in their data centers. They can now manually configure IP addresses for the service link connection while maintaining their security standards. This feature is particularly valuable for customers who have stringent networking security requirements and cannot use DHCP servers in their data centers. The static configuration support is available in all AWS regions where Outpost servers are supported, and customers need to configure this feature during the installation process. Amazon Bedrock, a fully managed service, is now available in the Asia Pacific region. This offering enables customers to easily build and scale generative AI applications using a variety of foundation models and powerful tools. With Amazon Bedrock, users can access high-performing large language models from leading AI companies via a single API. The service provides a range of capabilities, including guardrails and model customization, which help organizations build tailored applications for multiple use cases across different industries. These features ensure that generative AI applications are developed with security, privacy, and responsible AI in mind. By leveraging Amazon Bedrock, customers can unlock sustained growth from generative AI while maintaining customer trust and data governance. To get started with this new service, users can visit the Amazon Bedrock page and consult the documentation for more information. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service has introduced a new safety feature to prevent accidental cluster deletion. The feature, known as deletion protection, requires explicit disablement before a cluster can be deleted, providing an additional layer of control for critical environments. When enabled, deletion protection blocks any attempt to delete the cluster through various means, including the AWS Management Console, EKS APIs, and infrastructure as code tools like AWS CloudFormation. To enable deletion protection, users must intentionally disable it before attempting to delete their cluster. This two-step verification process helps prevent unintended deletions that could result from automation errors or accidental commands, especially in shared environments where multiple users manage clusters. Amazon EC2 R7GD instances are now available in additional regions, including Africa and Israel. These instances boast up to 3.8 terabytes of local NVMe-based SSD block-level storage, making them ideal for memory-intensive workloads such as open-source databases and real-time big data analytics. The instances are powered by AWS Graviton 3 processors with DDR5 memory and are built on the AWS Nitro system. The R7GD instances offer significant performance improvements, providing up to 45% better real-time NVMe storage performance compared to comparable Graviton 2-based instances. Additionally, they use up to 60% less energy for the same level of performance, allowing organizations to reduce their carbon footprint in the cloud. For those interested in learning more about these powerful instances, Amazon provides a dedicated page with detailed information and instructions on how to get started. Amazon EC2 M7GD instances are now available in the Asia-Pacific region, specifically in Seoul. These instances boast up to 3.8 terabytes of local NVMe-based SSD block-level storage, making them ideal for applications that require high-speed and low-latency data access. The Graviton 3-based instances are powered by DDR5 memory and built on the AWS Nitro system. They offer improved real-time NVMe storage performance, with a 45% boost compared to comparable Graviton 2-based instances. Moreover, these instances utilize up to 60% less energy for the same level of performance, enabling users to reduce their carbon footprint in the cloud. For those looking to get started, Amazon EC2 M7GD instances can be accessed through the AWS Management Console. AWS Deadline Cloud has expanded its capabilities to support Autodesk VRED, enabling users to submit rendering jobs from within Autodesk VRED or through the Deadline Cloud client. This integration allows for simplified render management for teams creating computer-generated graphics and visual effects in various industries. The addition of Autodesk VRED support extends AWS Deadline Cloud's reach to the automotive and manufacturing sectors, where high-fidelity 3D design visualization is crucial. With this integration, users can submit rendering jobs from anywhere without managing their own infrastructure. Autodesk VRED enables collaborative development of digital prototypes by bringing complex 3D data to life. The Deadline Cloud for VRED Submitter is available via an installer and the AWS Deadline Cloud GitHub repository, allowing users to rapidly render visualizations for review and iteration. For more information on this integration, please refer to the AWS Deadline Cloud documentation and the Deadline Cloud for VRED GitHub repository. Amazon EC2 M7i instances powered by custom 4th-gen Intel Xeon scalable processors are now available in the Middle East region, specifically in the UAE. These unique processors, exclusively offered on AWS, provide up to 15% better performance compared to similar x86-based Intel processors used by other cloud providers. The M7i instances deliver improved price performance, with a 15% boost compared to their predecessor, the M6i. They are an excellent choice for workloads that require large instance sizes or continuous high CPU usage, such as gaming servers, CPU-based machine learning, and video streaming services. M7i instances offer larger instance sizes, up to 48s large, and 2 bare metal sizes that support built-in Intel accelerators like the Data Streaming Accelerator, In-Memory Analytics Accelerator, and QuickAssist technology. These accelerators facilitate efficient offload and acceleration of data operations, optimizing performance for various workloads. To learn more about Amazon EC2 M7i instances, visit the official page. To get started, navigate to the AWS Management Console. AWS Budgets has introduced support for Billing View, enabling organizations to monitor cross-account costs without requiring access to the management account. This integration allows companies to create budgets that align with their business structure and operational needs. With this feature, budget administrators can create filtered views of cost management data based on cost allocation tags or specific AWS accounts in their organization. For instance, engineering leaders can establish budgets for applications that span multiple accounts using views filtered by cost allocation tags, while FinOps teams can create organization-wide budgets without requiring management account access. This streamlined approach to budget management maintains security best practices and minimizes management account access. The feature is available in all AWS regions where AWS budgets and billing view are available, excluding the AWS GovCloud regions and China regions. AWS budgets and billing view integration details can be found in the AWS Cost Management User Guide. Amazon OpenSearch Serverless has launched automatic semantic enrichment, a groundbreaking feature that simplifies the implementation of semantic search. This innovation eliminates the need for complex manual configurations by automating the setup process. Semantic search goes beyond traditional keyword matching by understanding the context and meaning behind search queries. By leveraging this technology, users can enjoy improved search relevance with minimal effort. For instance, when searching for how to treat a headache, semantic search will intelligently return relevant results about migraine remedies or pain management techniques, even if these exact terms are not present in the query. To get started, simply specify which fields require semantic search capabilities, and OpenSearch Service will handle all enrichment automatically during data ingestion. The feature is available for both English-only and multilingual support, covering 15 languages including Arabic, Chinese, French, Japanese, and more. Amazon Location Service has enhanced its geofencing capabilities by introducing support for multi-polygons and exclusion zones. This development enables customers to create complex boundaries that can cover non-contiguous areas, such as defining the borders of California including offshore territories like the Catalina Islands. These advanced geofences are seamlessly integrated with existing workflows and can be accessed through both the AWS console and programmatically via API and SDK support. This feature allows developers to easily add maps, points of interest, geocoding, routing, tracking, and geofencing to their applications without compromising on data quality, user privacy, or cost. Amazon Location Service provides a location-based service that helps developers securely add mapping capabilities to their applications while retaining control over their location data. This ensures the protection of users' privacy and reduces enterprise security risks. The service is available in 17 AWS regions across 5 continents. Amazon OpenSearch Serverless has introduced several new features, including neural search, hybrid search, workflow API, and AI connectors. These advancements enable various use cases such as retrieval augmented generation and semantic search. The neural search feature allows for semantic queries through text and images instead of vectors, utilizing a high-level API with connectors to Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Bedrock, and other AI services to generate enrichments like dense or sparse vectors during query and ingestion. The hybrid search capability enables the combination of lexical, neural, and KNN queries to deliver higher search relevancy. The Workflow API allows users to package OpenSearch AI resources like models, connectors, and pipelines into templates to automate multi-step configurations required to enable AI features such as neural search. Additionally, the AI connectors simplify integration with specific model providers like Amazon Bedrock, Cohere, OpenAI, or DeepSeek. These features are now available for all serverless collections in the Europe region, with availability listed on the AWS Regional Services list. For more information about these features, users can refer to the documentation for neural search, hybrid search, workflow API, and AI connectors. Amazon Aurora Serverless v2 has achieved a significant performance boost, offering up to 30% improved results for databases running on its latest platform version. This enhanced capability allows them to support even more demanding workloads, making it an attractive option for applications that require fast and efficient database operations. The performance improvement is made possible by the way Aurora Serverless v2 measures capacity in ACUs, which are combinations of memory, CPU, and networking. Users can specify a capacity range, and the database will scale within this range to meet their application's needs. The latest platform version supports scaling from 0 up to 256 Aurora capacity units. New clusters, database restores, and clones launched on the latest platform version, while existing clusters can be upgraded by stopping and restarting them or using blue/green deployments. Users can check the cluster's platform version in the AWS Console's Instance Configuration section or via the RDS API's Serverless v2 platform version parameter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.